Well, first and foremost, I think you should appreciate the fact that government has, as recently as 2 months back, uh, gone for the first scientific mining unit in Jingtih Hills, which will significantly uh, impact this question of illegality in coal mining. Second is, apart from the pronouncements of the High Court of Meghalaya, government is also collecting all details and information. A major challenge for us is the topography of the state and the fact that a number of areas are remote and not accessible even by roads. Those challenges lead to these piling up of what is known as illegal coal being dumped in forested areas or areas not accessible. So that collection of information is ongoing. We will abide by whatever pronouncements of the High Court, and we should be in a position to go for full-scale scientific mining in the course of 2 to 3 years from today.
So, Bapal, how would you counter the opposition's claim time and again? You must have heard it yourself also. They've been saying that the government is on a denial mode as far as the existence of illegal coal trade.
There is no denial. What we are saying is we are trying to collect accurate information. Even collection of information itself becomes difficult because these are privately owned mines, especially in areas which are inaccessible even by roads. And therefore the collection of information itself is a major challenge. But we will overcome that challenge, and in the span of 2 to 3 years from today, we will be in a position to significantly reduce the current method of rat hole mining and opt for scientific mining. And you should appreciate the fact that this is for the first time that government has in fact gone ahead to inaugurate a unit which caters to and abides by all mechanisms of scientific method.